Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 hair oils that are very important for hair growth and for really strong hair. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the next videos that I post. Before I talk about the hair oils, I want to tell you all that this is what worked for me and for my hair. I have an oily scalp and dry roots. So whatever I'm talking about is what worked for me. So the first oil that is very important for hair growth is coconut oil. Coconut oil should be used by everybody. Doesn't matter if you have an oily scalp or a dry scalp. Coconut oil has many uses and benefits. It protects your hair from getting damaged and also reduces the loss of protein. Protein is very essential for hair growth and for strong hair. The coconut oil that I use is a cold pressed version. Cold pressed coconut oils are, in fact, not only just coconut oil. Any cold pressed oil is always better than the processed one because it contains more nutrients than the processed one. So the coconut oil that I use is the Max Care cold pressed coconut oil. The link to the Amazon website from where I bought this will be in the description box. The second oil that is very important for hair growth is almond oil. Almond oil has so many benefits. It removes tangles. It has high amounts of proteins, vitamin E, fatty acids, which are so good for hair growth, and it also makes your hair stronger and a lot smoother. The almond oil I use is this one. It's the Rogan Badam oil. This one is the best one in the market. I think a lot of people use this one. It's affordable and you can use it by itself or you can mix it with coconut oil in 2:1 ratio. The third oil that I'm going to be talking about is neem oil. So if you're facing dandruff problems or lice problems, then neem oil is very beneficial for that. Neem oil is also good for your face. A lot of skin problems can be treated with neem oil, but always do a patch test before you apply it directly onto your hair because some people may tend to have allergies. That is why it's very important to use neem oil in a diluted form. Don't use neem oil by itself. What I do is I apply neem oil along with coconut oil. The neem oil that I use is also another cold pressed version. It's the Kama Ayurveda neem oil. It comes in this kind of a bottle and it's great. However, it has this kind of tube which you need to remove. So what I did is I took a compass and I made a tiny hole so that it comes in drops. The third hair oil that I'm going to be talking about is castor oil. So you must have heard how beneficial castor oil is. It's very sticky. It has a very sticky formula, but trust me, it helps. It really helps, especially if you have thin hair. It helps in thick hair growth and it also reduces hair fall. I have faced hair fall problems since a very long time and trust me, this really helps. I'm not telling you that it will completely stop your hair fall, but it will help in a certain way. So do try using castor oil every time you oil your hair. Just like neem oil, you should always dilute castor oil. You should use it in a diluted form and not use it by itself. It has a very sticky formula. So what I do is I use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, a tablespoon of almond oil, 3 to 4 drops of neem oil and 2 to 3 drops of castor oil. It's the castor oil by Morphine Remedies. Morphine Remedies castor oil, cold pressed version. So always use cold pressed. It's my advice. It's much better than using the processed ones. And this comes in a pump, so it's very easy to get 2 to 3 drops. The last hair oil that I'm going to be talking about is Argan Oil. So Argan Oil helps control frizz and also removes tangles. I like using Argan Oil as a serum post hair wash. So I use coconut oil, almond, neem and castor oil before hair wash. I shampoo my hair twice, condition it, and then after hair wash, when it's almost dry, I like to take 2 to 3 drops of argan oil and just lightly detangle my hair and apply it all over, not on the scalp, just on the strands of my hair. The argan oil that I like the most is the Rue Essentials Argan Oil. It comes in this tiny bottle and it also has like this kind of a tube dispenser, so it's easy to get 2 to 3 drops out of this. And I have been using these since a year and they are still there. I mean, it's not empty yet. I still have most of my oils, so these are not a waste of money. I would definitely recommend you to buy these. And also let me know in the comment section if using these oils helped you. So stay tuned for the next video where I will be talking about how you can tackle hair problems and also have strong and healthy hair. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.